guys. This is like my first time riding a plane. So there's a plane. Haha, ayan. So I'm gonna be with my friend Leo. Yeah. Oo. Sabi. Ito pala dito. My secret is revealed. It's my first time riding a plane. Oh. Sabi. Actually, si Leo, hindi kami dapat magkasabay. Tapos nagkataon na para yung flight namin. We're gonna go to Palawan to experience the culture there, and we're gonna attend a film festival, an outdoor film festival that is here. Yeah. Nakakita sila. Oh, ah! Oo, ko na muna at nakakabala tayo. Kamera lang.